Stop what you are doing right now. Look at this. This is my electric bill from last month. And if you're anything like me, you're sick and tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear into the greedy hands of the utility company. I thought I had no choice. I looked at solar, too expensive. I looked at generators, too loud, too much maintenance. But then I found something that promised total financial freedom, something that promised to cut my electricity bill by up to 80%. It's called the Energy Revolution System, and for the past 60 days, I've put this DIY blueprint to the ultimate test. The results? They truly shocked me. Let's be crystal clear right from the start. What is the Energy Revolution System? It is not a physical generator shipped to your door. You are buying the digital blueprint, a detailed step-by-step guide, complete with PDF diagrams, parts lists, and crystal clear video tutorials. This is an empowering, do-it-yourself guide that teaches you how to build your own small, silent, supplemental energy source right at home. It's an act of rebellion against the high cost of grid power. And the science behind it? It's based on the concepts of electromagnetic induction, specifically inspired by Nikola Tesla's forgotten work on the Bifilar Pancake Coil. This isn't science fiction. It's a practical, modern application of genius principles. When built correctly, this coil can help generate energy that dramatically reduces your reliance on the expensive grid. But let's get to the two biggest questions you have. How much does it cost, and how much can you save? Traditional solar installation? That's $15,000, $20,000, even $30,000. A reliable gas generator? Hundreds, if not thousands, plus the ongoing cost of fuel and maintenance. The Energy Revolution Digital Guide? A single one-time payment of just $49. And stick around, because I'll tell you how to grab it for even less at the official website in the description. But that's just the guide. What about the parts? The blueprints list all the components you need: wires, magnets, small electrical pieces, all easily sourced from your local hardware or electronics store. The total estimated cost for the materials? About $50 to $100. Think about that. For under $150 total, you can have your own energy generator up and running. Now, you might be thinking, I'm no engineer. I can barely change a light bulb. That is the beauty of this system. The developers designed the blueprints to be completely beginner-friendly. You do not need any technical background or special tools. The video guides walk you through every single connection. I read reviews of users who had their entire system assembled and generating supplemental power in about 12 working hours, over a single weekend. If you can follow a clear set of visual instructions, you can build this. So, what can it actually power? This generator is compact and portable. It's fantastic for powering essential devices, lighting, charging your phones and laptops, running a fan, or keeping a small refrigerator cool. Look, this isn't going to power your central air conditioning unit. But here's the game changer. By running your essential high-draw appliances through this supplemental system, users are consistently reporting those massive 50% to 80% reductions on their main utility bill. It's a smart supplement that handles the load where it matters most. Think about the peace of mind during a blackout. While your neighbors are scrambling for flashlights, you have a silent, low-maintenance backup source, ready to go. The Energy Revolution System is not just about saving money. It's about energy independence and preparedness. Plus, it's an eco-friendly approach. You're reducing your carbon footprint by relying less on centralized, often fossil fuel-based power plants. It's a win for your wallet and a win for the planet. I know what the skeptics are thinking. It sounds too good to be true. I don't have time to build anything. The honest truth is, yes, it requires a weekend of assembly. And yes, you may need a little patience while tweaking it to optimize the output. But I can tell you, the feeling of empowerment and satisfaction when you flip that switch and realize you built a device that is creating your own power, there's no feeling like it. It's an investment of time that pays you back every single month for years to come. And if you're still on the fence, here's the absolute best part. The Energy Revolution System is backed by a full 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 2 full months to download the plans, source the parts, build the system, and start seeing the results on your power meter. If you're not completely thrilled with the savings, you get every penny back. No risk, only reward. The choice is yours. You can keep watching your electric bills rise, or you can join the thousands of satisfied users who have taken control of their energy future. This system gives you drastic bill reduction, total energy independence, a beginner-friendly DIY project, and peace of mind during any emergency. For a one-time price of less than $50, and often a special discount price, which I've linked below, this is the cheapest, most effective way to start saving thousands of dollars every single year. Don't wait for the next price hike. Click the link right now in the description below and grab my special discount offer. Get the blueprints, start building this weekend, and start enjoying your energy revolution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the power grid. Or, off the power grid. Like and subscribe for more reviews. And let me know in the comments, what are you going to power first?